Good morning, everybody. So I just thought I'll start with what's the opportunity of empowering morning conversations? The opportunity of empowering morning conversations is that we break out of our boundaries. So every morning when we come here, we break out of our boundaries. Which boundaries? The boundaries that are imposed on us by the environment, by the circumstances, and by other people. Yeah, so we need to break out of the influence of people, which may not always be positive. So we are being bombarded by all sorts of influences. Most of them don't inspire us. Most of them make us want to be safe in life. So we are bound, we are boxed in. So the opportunity of empowering morning conversations is to break out of the box. And we have an interesting way of doing it. We are doing it in a conversation. And in this conversation, we participate, we share, we ask, we do exercises. All right. So wonderful people, now that you are here before everybody else, and we don't want them to miss what I have to say today, let us use this time and start with our first exercise. What is the first exercise? We will ask Darshana ji to lead us through it. Come on, Darshana ji. Inspire everybody to do it properly. You'll have to unmute yourself for that. You'll have to unmute yourself.
I may not be able to continue myself. I'll start all the same because I'm under the weather today. I'll just start anyway.
Yeah, you make people do it.
Okay, everybody. On the count of 3, give your best and give your 100% to your lung power and laugh silently.
100.
1, 2, 3, go!
So, is there a better way to start your day? Huh?
Thank you. I did better than I expected.
Obviously, you can't let this little influence of the slight cold or whatever you're having to put you down. So, is there a better way to start the day?
I'm not supposed to climb more than 2 stories, and yesterday I climbed 6. So that has taken its toll on me, nothing else.
Well, you're all out to break all boundaries. So congratulations to you. So is there a better way to start the day, ladies and gentlemen? I mean, you want happiness, you want energy, you want enthusiasm, and this exercise helps you to generate all 3 of them. Okay, so simple, it can be done anytime because we are laughing silently. I mean, even if you are with someone, you can suddenly generate a smile, a brilliant smile like. And the other person thinks, I know, what's he getting so happy about? Is he laughing at me? At least it's a conversation opener, no? You get a smile at someone, you'll say, oh, hi, acha. I mean, what are you smiling about? I'm so happy to meet you. And believe me, I'm so happy to meet you. So many of you, so early in the morning, right? I admire you guys, you're so brave. You're so committed. You want to break out of the boundaries of your sleep and you want to be spending time with this old Hudus fellow every morning, right? And the company of these wonderful people, of course, might be much more alluring, Can you imagine this if morning conversation was hosted by who's the most admired person in the film industry, especially a lady? Who could that be? Not Vijayanti Mala, because she's too old. Who?
Katrina Kaif.
Katrina Kaif. Yeah, then the attendance would be 100. Oh, what's Katrina Kaif got to say? Wow. So what would you be there for? Looking at Katrina's Kaif smile or to get some breakthroughs in your life? Anyway, we should have all sorts of things, right? People have brand ambassadors. Rama, I think we should get some brand ambassadors, or rather we can call them band ambassadors, They can blow the horn on our behalf. I think if we request them, they might be happy to do it for free instead of charging a few crore rupees. I think I'm going to, where is that Kasha, Kasha can put in touch, us in touch with some actress who will be willing to promote our empowering morning conversation.
Yep.
Right? So we put it on social media and say, oh, so-and-so actress is coming to empowering morning conversation.
We can
Somebody
think
like
of,
Revati or something.
we can think of Aishwarya Rai also.
Yeah, I can approach her through my son.
Aishwarya Rai would be a good person because
Yeah, my son knows that family. He's done lots of work with them. So I'll ask him, but first he should be willing, no? See, I'll tell you
we
what.
do, sir, we do have one, but she doesn't come on the video.
Oh, that's all right. We haven't requested her to be our band ambassador
Correct.
as yet, If we
Correct.
tell her, then she might do it. Oh, band ambassador. My
Yes.
name will be plastered on all the social media. Wow, how wonderful. But have you noticed that many things we don't do because we think we cannot? So I told you something which might sound a little absurd to you. Oh, we can get somebody as a brand ambassador. Even as I'm saying it, I'm thinking, it's not possible. Eh? I mean, can you imagine how many things we are holding back from because we think, no. If we approach them, they'll say no. But there are equal chances that if we approach them, they may say yes. Correct? And there's another one. I mean, we are so concerned about so many things that keep us bound inside. All right. So I have a very interesting question, which I will ask when more people are here. Otherwise, all of them will say, sir, we missed the question. What was the question you were asking? So just start thinking, what can we do? When we do brainstorming, when I do brainstorming for corporates, I say, you sare bandhan chhod do. Don't worry about whether it's possible or not. And can I do it or not? Does it look funny or not? Does it look silly or not? And just say whatever comes to your mind. And nobody's got permission to counter them. Yeah. So we let people express themselves. And when they are not bothered that nobody's going to counter them, they come out with such fantastic ideas, And then we put them together and great things emerge. So do we have the courage to, just create and, put it out in the universe? What if you had to create something? Unbridled imagination coming out because you're not afraid if somebody will say no. And there's one of the other things which we are very, 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 very afraid of. No, some people don't allow themselves to be seen on camera, especially when they are laughing 100%. कि सर मेरे दांत दिखाई दे जाएंगे, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, है ना? अभी मैंने ब्रश नहीं किया है, अपनी शक्ल कैसे दिखाएं, राइट? कुछ लोग बोलेंगे अभी मैंने स्नान नहीं किया है, how can I show my face? On camera, who knows what you've done or not done, right? They only see your shining face. Look at the amount of considerations we have. Look at the way we hold back so many things. Okay? Even we hold back expressing ourselves. Sometimes we want to say something to someone, we don't. It could be a simple thing like, wow, thank you so much for what you did. So some people will have a problem with that. I was talking to this corporate guy yesterday. He says, sir, sometimes we don't praise people because then they expect something from us. Sir, you're saying you've done such a good job. So how about a promotion? How about a raise? But we've got nice stories we've made up, So one of the things that Reddy Garu and some other friends here, Shakti and all, they've learned one of the 10 commandments that we follow is that don't buy your own stories and don't buy the stories of others. Remember that? So interesting. How many things so automatically are running through our mind, so much so that it's the foundation of our reality? Consider that. Even who you think you are is a part of your reality, right? All your expectations are a part of your reality, right? So how many things are there? So one question for you. How many things would you start doing if you were not worried about what will people say? Log kya kahenge? How many things would you attempt? How many things you would do? How many things you would create if you stopped worrying about what will people say? I want you guys to reflect a moment, close your eyes and think about it. How many things would you do and how many things you would say or whatever if you stopped worrying about what will people say? अगर आप लोग क्या कहेंगे उसकी परवाह करनी छोड़ दो तो आप क्या क्या करोगे लाइफ में?
I will do whatever I feel like. I'll follow my head and heart. There will be no barring. I mean, in terms
That
of
is
numbers.
obvious, Milan ji. That is quite obvious. But करोगे क्या? Let us say now you got permission to follow your head and heart. तो क्या करोगे? Actually, if you see people of our age, we can do anything. We can follow our head and heart. Are we following it?
Absolutely, absolutely. You want a laundry list?
Yeah, I mean, not for me.
No,
For you
that's
to realize and maybe start acting on it.
true.
I will dance in the rain.
Whoa!
Great. That's really great. Following one's own heart. Indeed.
Yeah, just think how many, it could be little things, you know, it doesn't mean that I'll now decide to go to the moon. Yeah.
That's true.
How many small things we don't do because we are worried about what people will say. Okay, Neeti wants to say something. She raised her hand, Qaida. So let her say. Qaida,
Yes.
haath khada kijiye pehle.
So I think if we had the freedom, we would be able to, or I would be able to interact more freely with everybody, irrespective of the male, female, gender, married, unmarried, beautiful, ugly, away from all these aspects, just a franker exchange. I won't call it friendship because friendship begins to put a lot of thoughts in the mind, but a franker level of exchange and reaching out to people.
Oh, so you're saying I would be more self-expressed.
I would be freer in my interactions.
Exactly. That's called being self-expressed like a little child, you know. Self-expression will show up in
Yes,
your life. That's a shortcut way of saying something which you made so clear. Wonderful. What else? Is that all? Because then we can keep asking, okay, if you started being self-expressed and you started doing what you're saying, then what would happen in life? That's the important thing.
I think the support structure, like this forum is giving us a support structure in life. That support structure, the frankness, the belief, the trust all around will just increase. There'll be more positivity around, I believe.
If you do that in life with everybody.
Yes.
Like you're doing over here. Wow.
Yes.
Isn't that wonderful? So think more.
Can I
mean, if you never had to bother about what people will say, right? What else would you be doing?
Can I say?
Yeah, certainly. Hasina ji, good morning. Nice to see
Good
you.
morning. I would dress up as I want.
Oh my God, who's stopping you from dressing up as you want now?
No. Lot of restrictions there. In my mind, I can't wear this. I can't wear that. Doesn't look
Yeah.
nice. People will
Right.
say, "What is this?"
What will people say?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I knew somebody. She would always say, "कि नहीं मैं तो विधवा हूँ, मुझे तो सिर्फ सफेद कपड़े पहनने पड़ेंगे." In fact, the family wouldn't mind or do anything, you know. But they were limited by their own thoughts about what will people say. Okay, that's great. Great. Anything else? Anybody else? I mean, all of you are welcome to pitch in and say, what would you do?
Sir, I think I am doing everything that whatever people said, I don't really mind. Means I don't think there is anything that I am not doing. I am already doing, sir.
Really? Oh, really?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Oh, really?
yes,
You believe it? Then why didn't you
Yes.
come to Bangalore?
oh, sir.
How?
Bangalore, sir, it's because of Dosai and TR.
I know. So why did you not come because of Dosai? Because if you came, what would people say? कैसे त्योहार के मामले हो रहा है और तुम बैंगलोर जा रहे हो? त्योहार में तुमको इधर रहना चाहिए. See, think how
Yes,
many
sir.
things we do or how many things that we don't do is because of our thought that what will people say? Of course, लोगों की परवाह करनी चाहिए. ऐसा थोड़ी है कि नंगे घूम लो. That's not what we are talking about. Okay. Sometimes we are so worried about what people will say, we don't even ask. ऐसा मैं कर लूं क्या? तो पूछते क्यों नहीं हो भाई? नहीं मुझे पता है ना बोलेंगे. या बेचारे embarrassing situation में पड़ेंगे. You know, one person told me, I don't ask them what I want to ask because I'll be putting them in an awkward position. I said, what do you mean by that? See, they will want to say no, mat karo, but they will not be able to say that because I might get offended. So I am putting them in an awkward position. Isliye I will not say, wah, wah. You notice how complicated our bloody brain is. See, I'll tell you something. I was talking to a friend of mine. He had attended my bars workshop in Bangalore in bars and foundation. Both he did. Last time when I was in Bangalore. All right. So on the last day, he brought his wife and daughters to meet me. Okay. He says, they're very keen to meet you, sir. I said, why? So he said, नहीं, they want to know कि ये मेरे को आपने क्या किया है, मैं इतना बदल गया हूँ. मैंने कहा, मैंने क्या किया है? You did the workshop, उसमें परिवर्तन हो गया. नहीं, they want to meet you, they want to meet you. Okay. So when he came, I asked him, have you been giving bar session to your wife? He says, no. I've given to my daughters, but I have not given to her. So she is not agreeing to it. So she was sitting there. I said, hello, ma'am. Why are you not asking? नहीं वो इतने बेचारे थके हुए आते हैं in the evening, so he may feel bad about it, so I'm not asking. Are you understanding? He would love it if she said, okay, please give me this session, but she's not asking. She's not telling him. She wants to say yes, but she's telling no. I mean, उसकी नियत तो अच्छी है बेचारी. I mean, she's a good wife, no? She doesn't want to trouble her husband. Yesterday, my wife was telling me, I do something called a facelift, you know, the Access facelift. So I've given it to her 2-3 times. I said, why you don't, I mean, I can give it to you every day. She said, no, all day long you're working, you know, even now, and you must be tired, you must be getting pakaud by doing this work all the time. America, nothing would give me more pleasure than to do facelift for my wife. After all, I have to look at your face. So why would it not give me pleasure? But have you noticed how funny we people are?
Yeah.
How much we are holding back because of some, what will people say?
Self-created barriers.
Yeah. So the more important thing right now, Milanji, is to first get clear on what all are we not doing because we are afraid of what people will say.
Absolutely.
There are many things we are not doing because of many reasons, no doubt. But this is one of them, isn't it?
Absolutely.
This is the most meaningless of them all. मैं ये पूछ नहीं सकता नाराज हो जाएंगे. आपको कैसे पता नाराज हो जाएंगे? मैं ये कह नहीं सकता कि नाराज हो जाएंगे. मैं सोच नहीं सकता. One person told me I can't think that, sir. They'll say कि तुम्हारी सोच ऐसी है. Is this how you think? How do you know, yaar? I mean, are we some sort of an antaryami kind of a person that we know what those people want us to think? Wow. They'll say, no, sir, I have lived with that person 20 years. I know what they want me to think. Fantastic. So everybody is going to decide what you think, what you wear, what you do. They may not be wanting also. They have no clue.
They're not even aware of what I'm thinking about.
Yeah, and yeah, we are already thinking, no, they will not approve. See, we use English taking people, no, will you? They will not approve. And then we want approval, but we will not ask for it. And we are in that loop. And then we go around thinking, I have no freedom in my life. How many of us think, no, one day I shall be free. Ek din mere ko mukti mil jayegi. So what's the meaning of mukti? Mukti means when other people and other people's thoughts and other people's opinions or whatever, or situations or circumstances, when they are not controlling me, I can call that azadi, freedom.
I read something very nice about this situation. They said, what other people think of you is none of your business.
I love the way that is said. What other people think of you
Excellent.
is none of your. Can you put it in the chat box, Darshanaji? What
Yeah,
other
I'll do
people
that.
think of you is none of your business. Yeah, Rama, can you capture it and put it in the group?
Absolutely.
What other people think of you is none of your business. Yeah, it's their business.
One
Sakshi
word,
ji, good morning
one
to
word
you.
answer. One word answer to this peculiar syndrome that we are suffering from. Dasanaji, thank you.
One line answer, one liner.
Indeed.
Yeah, this is
And
like
one message for Hasina. Hasina, I was the same about 16 years back. I would dress very conventionally, and one day it just went. Like once you do it, nobody may even notice that you have changed your style of dressing.
Yeah.
So just go ahead and do it. That is my personal experience. I wear everything now, which
Yeah.
I did not wear 16 years ago.
Yeah, and I'm
Of
sure
course, I
that
got a lot of
maybe-
encouragement from my daughter, but I used to think at my age, but it doesn't matter at all.
yeah,
You will not
absolutely.
receive one word of approval or disapproval. Just go and do it. Just
Right.
do it. They follow the
Right.
Nike example. Just do it.
Just do it. Yeah. And you
Thank
know
you.
what? I'm sure you are not going to want to wear mini skirts. And even if you did, so what?
No, but that I would not want to. I wear whatever I want to.
Exactly. I said if you wanted to,
Yes.
so what?
No, because
So
there was
just
a
go
time
ahead.
when I didn't want to go down without my chunni,
Oh,
without my
God.
orni. But now I have decided that not now, I have now started doing that because it's
So
such a
nobody
hassle.
noticed.
It was such a hassle handling it. So
Oh,
I
yeah.
stopped wearing it.
So every time you want to
No.
be stopped by that, you should say chuneri, 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 chuneri. There's even a song, you know.
So when you can do it once, you can do it other times also.
Yes,
Just do
yes,
it.
yes. I
Okay,
did,
okay,
and
okay.
I've started doing that.
Okay, great, wonderful. So let other people now start thinking, you know, if I stopped bothering about what will people say, you know, today I'm so happy that we are able to see Sakshi ji. Sakshi ji, good morning. आपने हमको दर्शन दिए, हम बहुत खुश हो गया. We are very happy. So why don't you say something? If you stop worrying about what people will say, right? What will you be able to do?
Good morning, everyone. There are a lot of things which I'm doing, not bothering about what will people say. And yeah, there are a few things which I might do if I stop looking into people's thinking. So like for this, revealing this, I have to tell you my background. I'm a separated woman. I have a daughter of about 18 years. So luckily I have a very broad-minded mom, and my daughter is also quite open to such things. So ideally, if I would not bother what will people think, I'll go out all out dating and all. But I am like, skeptical, what would people think, or maybe
Yeah.
I have a wrong kind of impact on my daughter. But yeah, I'm stopping myself from meeting all these men who can be my friends. So this is the thing what I realize now, that
Yeah.
this is the only thing which is bothering me. Otherwise, I'm working, I'm doing certain things which I had not done. Like I did my will. I made my will at this age. Like, you know, people were thinking why I have to do that, but then I did that. So a lot of things which I'm not bothered of what people will think and all I've done. But only this one thing I think so, which is my mindset, my mind block, that no, I should not go out dating and all.
Yeah, there's another one also, I'll tell you.
Yes, tell me.
You see, you may not be smiling because you think, what will people think? कि smile कर रही हैं. You see,
Yes.
हमारी, you know, in our situation, we should look dukhi and sad all the time. Hello? You ask these fellows, Rama, tell her, if I was thinking, what will people say? Do you think you'd have done what I did? Rama, what did I do? Tell her. Now I've got fed up of saying it myself all the time.
Sir, which situation?
Arey Baba, I did something which I did. If I was thinking, what will people say? Would I have done it?
There are so many, I don't know which one to say.
Oh, so Deepak sir got
That
married.
means I'm the only one who was probably giving significance to it. You know what I did? I lost my wife in 2013, and then when I was 60 years old, and I remarried after 2 years. If I was thinking, what will people say? What will my children say? और मेरे चिल्ड्रन को तकलीफ ज्यादा पता क्या हो रही थी कि हमारे इन-लॉज क्या बोलेंगे. मैंने कहा तुम क्या बोलते यार? What do you say? Sir, we have no problem, Papa. The only problem they had was you should have asked us first. मैं कहा मुझे परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी. I am your father or you are my son? It's interesting, isn't it? How much we would do. A lot of people become serious because I'm supposed to be serious. I'm a grandfather, you know. Sometimes my children get upset. Papa, behave your age. I said, what age? If I am old, does it mean I cannot laugh? I can't crack jokes? I can't say funny things? Of course I can. My
So-
heart is young. Why should I behave
there
like
is
a
this-
old fellow?
There is this one instance which I remember, which I cannot remove from my mind. After my separation, say about 1.5 years after my separation, I was talking to some neighbor who was not really aware of, a very nice person and very friendly, very helpful person. So he came to know about my separation, and I was telling him as a matter of fact manner. He outright bluntly told me, you don't look very upset, or you're very okay about it. I was wondering that what is he expecting, to cry every time when I talk about it?
Yeah, so
So
you're
I was
supposed to.
like, you know, zapped to listen to this kind of reaction coming from this person. So, I mean, I was giving him all the description, simple.
Yeah. So, you know, what happens to people is we get influenced by such people at a certain level, you know, and you start thinking, oh, maybe I should be very serious.
Right.
ऐसे हालात में मेरा हंसने का हक नहीं है, you know, in this situation, how can I be laughing and smiling? You know,
Yeah.
I should be sad. Plus, we watch too many Hindi movies, you see. Then we watch things like Abala Nari. So I should be like this. Like a lot of ladies, you know, unfortunately, when they become widowed, so they start thinking, you know, all my life I should spend mourning only. You've done your mourning, now start living your life. Yeah. I'm sure your spouse wants you to be happy. Isn't it? And if you look at it, you may find that the other person is merrily enjoying his life anyway. Usko koi farak nahi pad raha. So good thought, no, to think about. If I was not bothered about what people will say, it's not only what I'll do, it's how will I be? How will I be in my life? You know, will I be more playful? Will I be more happy? Will I be more self-expressive like Niti ji said? You know? Or am I holding myself back from fully being present in my life? Because some conditioning, cultural one, or what somebody has told or something, it's influencing me. And I'm now worried about what will people say. In one Hindi movie, there was a lovely song. It says, "Na kuch to log kahenge, logon ka hai kaam kehna, chodo bekar ki baatein." Can you imagine? I mean, suppose somebody like you who's around 35 or something, whatever, 40, and you will waste your whole life because you think I should be like this because society expects this from me. I should be serious. मुझे सुखी होने का कोई हक नहीं है. All that nonsense. I'm not saying you are having like that, but people have, isn't it? So good. Thank you for sharing that, Sakshi. I mean, I feel, that you've included us in your life. No, you don't tell this to strangers. So you don't think that we are strangers. So thank you very much for that. Great. All right. So if you stop worrying about what people will say, how would you be in life? What would you be able to say in life? What would you be able to do in life, which you're not doing now? If you shed your what will people say? Nobody's saying. There's so much to say. Which one should I say? Yes, Neeti ji.
Sir, somewhere on a lighter note, maybe I would go and make some mistakes just for the fun of making a mistake and laughing over it.
Yet.
I would do that instead of, fulfilling an expectation every time. I would just go and do something to be happy, and even if it's a mistake, just do it for a little while, as long as it's within a safety parameter.
Like a friend of mine, he goes to Jaipur and he says, "Yahan pe kya acha milta hai?" They said, "Lal mas." So what is lal mas? He says, "Oh, bada, it's got lots of chilies in it." So he said, "Shall I make it for you like we make for foreigners? Aapko you don't like?" He said, No. You put as much mirchi as you want." And I looked at him and I said, "Are you sure?" He says, "Yeah." तो क्या हो गया? कल सुबह धुआं निकलेगा. I don't mind. And such people are called crazy people, because you have to fit into their definition of what is not crazy. They are going to define our life. Huh? I'm not saying you do inappropriate things, that is, you got your brain and your reasoning also. But how much are we holding back in life? Is it worth it? क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? लगाम लगा के चलो. Like we are a ghoda who's got those, what do you call, reins. Huh? We are reining ourselves in all the time, boxing ourselves in all the time. Is it worth it? Yes, Kunayan Babu.
Just
Dr.
a quick question, sir. Also, one question I ask myself: what will my Creator say on the day of judgment?
So you worry about what the Creator will say, not about what other people will say, at least.
Yeah.
Within the boundaries of your conscience, which is what we should be, because our antarman or our awareness always tells us what is okay. ठीक है ना? अगर जो बोलते हैं ना, हमारा दिल हमेशा सही बताता है. It always tells us what is right for us. But who are people to tell us what is right for us? You forget about, sometimes they don't even say. उन्होंने बोला भी नहीं है. It's only in our mind that what will people say. You understand? People may not notice, people don't even give it any significance whatsoever. See, when I asked Rama to say, what was it I did, which, I would have not done if I was worried about other people, he didn't even remember. Though I've told him many times, he knows about it. But for him, it's not significant. So, बोलने लायक भी नहीं है वो बात. You get it? And here we are worrying about what people might say or what people might think. And you know what? If you take a survey about anything, you may find that 50% people will say, yes, it's very good what you're thinking. And 50% will say, no, it's very bad. Okay? Even when we do corporate feedback sessions, which I conduct most of the time, I always tell the participants, if more than 30% people are saying the same thing about you, we make up our mind कि सब लोग बोल रहे हैं. If somebody comes and tells me कि यार सब लोग नीति के बारे में कुछ बोल रहे हैं, my first question will be कौन लोग बोल रहे हैं, कितने लोग बोल रहे हैं? And you know what the answer will be? Oh sir, that one person had told me. Then I said, what do you mean सब लोग बोल रहे हैं? So when you take the opinions of people, we will listen to 4 people's opinion and start believing it, thinking everybody will think like this if I do like this. Right? Did you go and ask everybody? If you did, you might find that 50% said, wow, wow, go for it. Fantastic. You must do it. And maybe 20% might say, nahi, nahi, mat karo. You know, it all depends on wo kitya. What do you say in Hindi? Kitya takiya nusi log hain wo.
Yeah.
You should also know who to ask, no? I mean, if you ask a 80-year-old person or a 90-year-old person about something which they don't know, what answer do you think they'll give you? Don't do it, it looks dangerous. Right? So if you want an opinion of someone, the first thing is you better be clear whose opinion you're asking. Or whose opinion are you worried about? The best part is हम कभी पूछते भी नहीं है. We don't even ask. We just assume.
Is he capable of opining? Has
Huh?
he got the capacity to opine? That's something we have to ask.
No, yeah. I mean, if you understand. I mean, if somebody has no idea whatsoever, if I go and ask a villager, you know, कि मैं वो online seminar कर लूं, he doesn't want to look stupid. बोलेगा मत करो सर, बड़ा खतरनाक दिखे.
Indeed. He will go safe.
Yeah. Now asking is a separate thing. We don't even ask. We are assuming वो ना बोलेंगे. They will disapprove. ये अच्छा नहीं है. Sagar, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Thank you for your sharing, sir. Sir, you know, I'm making some videos, homemade videos, some fun videos, and sometime I think I've been to the ashrams and so many gurus, and in
Why are you
Nepal,
making porn videos in ashrams? नहीं, अभी आपने क्या बोला? I'm making some porn videos.
fun video, fun.
Fun videos.
Yes.
Okay, मैंने तुम porn बोला.
Yes, sir. I don't know. In coming future, I may make, but now I'm not making those videos.
Depends
But,
on how desperate you are.
not so desperate now, sir. But my question is, sir, I'm making some fun videos and some family videos, and I've been to so many ashram and gurus, and now I think that if I make those fun videos and my family videos, my guru may get hot, or they may not like my videos, and why, I don't know, I have been conditioned or think like this, but
Without
it's
thinking,
making,
without asking, you are thinking he may not like it.
yeah, it's making video is bad, sir. If I may, I am feeling good and I love to share my things, and if somebody are not happy, is making video is bad, sir.
See, many people don't go out of their city and work in another city.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
noticed that? कि
Yes,
मेरे
sir.
रिश्तेदार, what will my relatives say? ये भी होता है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now you may be wanting to go and study in London in your heart, but you never told anybody,
Mm.
right? Why? Because वो हंसेंगे मेरे ऊपर. You'd go to London. शक्ल देखी है अपनी? So you don't want to hear that. So you won't ask. Or you may not ask your father to support you to go to London, thinking, no, my father cannot, he will not. I mean, I know people who have sent their children to study abroad and they are not millionaires, right? If their
Yes.
children had not asked, I mean, of course, they've got a right to say yes or no, but they can ask, no? So if we assume कि नहीं उनको बुरा लगेगा, बेचारे उनको ये, he may be very happy, यार. My child wants to go abroad. I must do something. This is great. This is fantastic. We don't know. We never asked.
Mm.
एक लड़का था, he wanted to ask his father to buy him a motorcycle. बड़ा परेशान था. So I said, why don't you ask him? He said, my father always says no to me.
Okay.
So I'm not going to ask him. I said, why? Because I don't want to give him satisfaction of saying no to me. So I'll not ask him. मैं कहा बेटा experiment कर. It was in college, one college I was doing a training. I said, you go today and you ask your father, okay, Papa, will you buy me a motorcycle? So he went home and he told his father, he says, Daddy, will you buy me a motorcycle? He said, what motorcycle? I was thinking of buying you a car. The next day he came so happy. Sir, I asked for a motorcycle. My father is buying me a car. So are you guys willing to surprise yourself or not? Will you not be surprised if people's reaction is different from what you were expecting? Huh? Good hands up. If you are willing to surprise yourself, what would you do? So that's the next question. If you're willing to surprise yourself. If you're happy to receive surprises in your life, what all would you start doing or asking for? Have you noticed that we are afraid of the unknown? And why are we afraid of the unknown? Is there a logical reason why we should be afraid of the unknown? I've always seen people's reaction, oh, pata nahi kya ho jayega. I mean, why that negative thing, ki pata nahi kya ho jayega? Instead of that, you can say, wow, pata nahi kya ho jayega. Why are we assuming the worst? So are you willing to have surprises show up in your life? And what is the biggest surprise you could get? So that's a question for you, Dr. Shahidi. What is the biggest surprise you might get in your life? Negative ho ya positive? Jo marji, if you are not judging, you don't care anyway.
Yeah, there are many things.
Tell me one. Which is the most happiest or pleasant most surprise that you could get?
Meeting you tomorrow.
Suddenly, I appeared. I got a teleportation device and I was there in your office.
Yeah.
Sir, one gentleman has come from India to meet you. His name is Shukdeepok. One of my friends used to talk like that. His name was Debu Ghosh. Shukdeepok. Tum boda shorhorti aadmi aaye.
Typical Bengali accent.
Yeah, he was a Bengali only, no? And he 20 years he tried to get rid of that accent. He could not. And he used to travel all over the world conducting training programs in Bengali accent. Nobody had a problem with it. People used to love him. I still remember he says, you don't respect your mother. हाँ जी बताइए मैं आपको थोड़ा सोचने का मौका दे रहा था.
In fact, Sukhdeepak ji, this actually gives us a thought that we do not respect ourselves the way we are. In fact, we have got a lot of innovation that the way we are, probably the whole world is not going to like it, and we create a lot of innovation, barrier, fear, restrictions, limitations before achieving something. The day we will learn to respect ourselves the way we are, I think the whole world will fall in our feet and they'll also respect us.
Yeah.
They'll demonstrate this respect. This is something which is very important realization in life at times.
It is. And by the way, you know what? If you are not, we are so scared of getting unpleasant surprises that we don't even get the pleasant ones.
Indeed.
We blocked everything from happening. कोई अच्छा भी तो हो सकता है. They don't do this, don't do that. This will happen, that will happen. Yeah, maybe. But something great can also happen. So I really want you to think about it. Like, how long are you going to be living your life getting worried about what people will say? How long are you going to live your life thinking that if I ask people, they are going to say no, or if I ask people, they will laugh at me, or if I ask people, they will discourage me? How do you know? Some people might encourage you also, no?
Absolutely.
I mean, we are that much know it all in our life.
I like that
Bhagwan has
Nike,
given you-
Nike caption. I like with Nike caption. Just do it.
Yeah, just do it.
Just do it.
Yeah, I like what Darshana ji said. I love it. Can you remind us what you said, Darshana ji? What other people think of you is none of your business.
Business.
What other people think of you is none of your business. It's their business. अपने विचार अपने पास रखो.
Correct.
Yeah, now how wonderful life would be if we actually lived like that. And how wonderful life would be if you could realize how much this little thing influences you. Like even making choices in life, like I told Acharya, he said, no, I always do what I want. I'm not worried about what people think. But it's not true, is it? Some of those things are so subtle, itne suksham hote hain, and they are so insidious. They are there deep inside. We don't even know that's how it works. Is it? But it is doing that. So think, are you supposed to live your whole life, sacrificing yourself on the altar of what people will think?
No way.
Yeah, so it would be very happy, no? One day, even they bring stupid songs, no? इतनी खुशी मिले है मुझे कहीं मैं खुशी से मर ना जाऊं. जो गुजर रही है मुझ पे मैं तुम्हें कैसे बताऊं? बोलने में भी हिचकिचाते हैं. जो गुजर रही है मुझे तुम्हें कैसे बताऊं? Have you noticed that how much of unnecessary pain and suffering we keep on carrying with us? We don't deserve it, yeah? There was a movie called Three Idiots, There was that song, That fellow sings. What was that song? वो जो suicide कर लेता है उसमें. Do you remember that song, Darshana ji?
Give me some sunshine.
Yeah, give me some sunshine, give me some rain. Yeah, you know the words? They're so expressive.
Yes.
Give me another chance to live my life again.
So can I sing that song? Just 3 lines.
Of course, go
Yeah,
ahead.
sure, please do.
I will try. Okay. सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, इस पल को अब हमें जीने दो. सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, इस पल को अब हमें जीने दो. ना 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 na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me some another chance, once grow up once again. Na 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 na. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
पल
much.
भर के लिए मुझे जीने दो. अरे किससे क्या बोल रहे हो जीने दो यार? If we don't have the courage to stop worrying about what will people say, अब ये what will people say ही तो हमको जीने नहीं देता है. वो थोड़ी ना कुछ कर रहे हैं. Nobody cares, yeah. We think that people are always, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? I mean, who cares? Everybody is worried more about themselves than you. Have you noticed one thing? They are worried. Everybody is worried that what will people will think about them. So who's got the time to think about you anyway? So please do some deep thinking on this and then think that what choices would you make? Today you don't make choices, you make all your decisions based on what will people say. And many other things, of course. If you stop doing that, you may be able to make choices in your life. And living a life of choice will be something which you will really enjoy, no? Jeene do, wo hota hai. When you have a choice about how you want to live your life. It's your life, you deserve to live it the way you want. And all this other conditioning that's put in our mind, no, ऐसे होना चाहिए, ये तो तुम्हारा फर्ज है. ठीक है, फर्ज भी निभाओ. Who told you फर्ज निभाऊंगा तो मैं वो नहीं कर सकता? See, there's another universe that we live in. It's called either this or that. So I was talking to somebody the other day. He says, oh, I've got to take this. If I do what I want to do, there'll be no security. What do you want to do? I want to start business. But business mein, there is no security. So I said, how can you do both? That you have security also and do your own business also. No, sir, that's not possible. I said, who told you? God told you. If you start thinking, even that possibility might come. Okay, so that's it for today. I have nothing much to say. We will ask Kunain sir to tell us some shairi. And लोग क्या सोचेंगे भी तुम सोचोगे तो लोगों को सोचने के लिए बाकी बचा क्या है. बोल ही दो साक्षी जी, लिखने से अच्छा सब लोग चैट नहीं पढ़ते हैं. 1 मिनट साक्षी जी को बोलने दो.
I've heard this from someone कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे ये भी तुम सोचोगे तो लोगों को सोचने के लिए बाकी क्या रहेगा. So let them think whatever they want to think. तुम छोड़ दो सोचना उनके बारे में या वो क्या सोच रहे हैं.
हमने ही तो सब कुछ ही सोच लिया है तो उनके लिए बाकी क्या रह गया. वाह वाह वाह, I like that one. Wow, wow, wow. Can you, somebody, Kunain, can you copy it and put it on our group?
Yeah, I'll do that.
That's a good one.
The thought, what is coming to my mind in Shairi couplet, sir, अर्ज किया है कि I request you or someone to translate. मुश्किलों में इंसान अकेला होता है, कामयाबी में दुनिया उसके साथ होती है. मुश्किलों में इंसान अकेला होता है, कामयाबी में दुनिया उसके साथ होती है. जिस पे ये दुनिया हंसी है, उसी ने इतिहास रचा है.
वाह वाह वाह. साक्षी जी, you translate this one.
Let me repeat for her.
Yeah, please repeat.
मुश्किलों में आदमी और इंसान अकेला होता है, कामयाबी में दुनिया उसके साथ होती है. जिस पे ये दुनिया हंसी है, उसी ने इतिहास रचा है.
So this goes this way. Okay, when person is in difficulty or trouble time, he's alone. He's traveling all alone. And what was the second line, Kunain sir?
कामयाबी में दुनिया उसके साथ होती है.
So when a person succeeds, the whole world is with that person or backing him. Okay, third line.
जिस पे ये दुनिया हंसी है.
So on whosoever this whole world or society has laughed.
उसी ने इतिहास रचा है.
So the same person has scaled boundaries or achieved success.
Created history.
Created an history.
And you can think of so many people. The Wright
Right.
brothers, the cycle mechanics who made aeroplane, do you think people did not laugh at them?
Yeah.
A whole lot of others. I mean, if we start telling you, then all the time will be consumed in that only. So don't worry about what will people say. Other people's opinions don't matter, yours do. आप क्या सोचते हो? That's more important. And what is your desire? So I again want to leave you with one thought today. 2 things. One reminder, every experience is an opportunity to be a better version of yourself. Every experience, good or bad. And the second one is, what can I add to my life today that will help me to create a future that I desire? What will I add to my life today that will help me to create a future that I desire? And if you want to do that, should you be bothered about what will people say? अगर आप उसको छोड़ दो, then you may be able to first find out what do you desire really. And once you're clear about what you desire, then you ask a question. What action? What can I do today? What will I do today that would allow me, or what will I add to my life today? What will I add to my life today so that I can create a future that I desire? So remember, there is no need ke sari umr hum mar ke ji liye. All right. So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you very much for being with me today also. And we look forward to you another day, which may be tomorrow. So God bless you. Thank you very much for your participation. Bye.
God bless everyone.
Thank you, sir. Stay safe, stay blessed all.